What's up, guys? So this today I'm going to show you an amazing trading pattern that you must not miss. All right, this is a trading signal that you have to watch this video so that you get to see what I'm going to teach you in this video. All right, guys, no, let us proceed. And please, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you get notified once a new video is dropped. All right, you can see my chart. I have a chart on the crash 300. So with this strategy I'm going to show you right now, you are going to grow even a small account. So this thing does not matter the time frame you're working on. All you need to do is to know your top down analysis. All right, top down analysis. So this is going to be a tutorial. You see, so far so good. I wanted to test out something here. I funded $19 here and we have gotten $10 already. So that is actually more than 50% of the account. So that is actually a good return of investment. All right, there's something I'm looking at in this particular trade setup that I'm watching right here. So if you watch out this chart, this is daily time frame on crash 300. All right, so now let me show you what I'm talking about, what I'm seeing here, and what I want you to focus on here. Now, in this place, the market has been doing a retracement, a bunch of movements here. It broke out this particular level here. Now, we are supposed to buy, but this particular place prevented it from buying up. So there was reacted. Now it came back to this particular zone again. See, you see this zone. This is a very strong zone. This is a demand zone on the daily time frame. Yeah, on the daily time frame. So guys, so what am I expecting in this particular market right now? I'm not going to take an entry right here, even though I should take entry here. I should take entry because of this particular place, all these things, and is currently right here. This is triple bottom and it is on a day time frame, guys. So why should I take entry here? Why should I take entry now? If I should take entry here, I'll have a long stop loss because up to 80 pips, or yes, because my initial entry is the red line you've seen down here. Let me make it bold enough. This is my this is my initial entry price. You see that here, that very dark red line, that is my uh, setup for entry in this market. That's my entry. I see that is this purple blue line down there. That is my entry setup. Okay, but if I should enter this market right now, I'm going to enter with a small lot size, a tiny lot size, knowing that the market might go down there. Going the market has still have a chance to go down there. So and all that. So coming down to lower time frame, like 5 minutes time frame, you can scalp around here. You can also scalp around here the 5 minute time frame. Why? Now let me show you why I talk about scalping here in the 5 minute time frame. That is if you know how to scalp the market. Now let me bring out a box, triangle, or a rectangle. So you see this particular place. Let me put a color on that, fill it. Now you see this particular zone that I just marked here. This is a zone on a lower time frame, guys. Okay, this is a zone on a lower time frame. So one can actually enter a trade here in case the market does not go down to that other entry that we're talking about. You not miss it. Why am I talking about like that? If I bring out my trend line, let me assume this is my trend line. I'm trying to analyze a top-down analysis using this is not M15. This is M15. So if I do bring my trend line, I'll say that the market has broken the trend line upward. Okay, and not just that, it also broke structure here. This particular level here was broken already. So this is a retest of the market. So it might just from here shoot up because already it is a strong zone on the day time frame. Okay, at the same time it can break downside and shoot down all the way to the red line, to this blue line here, and then shoot upside. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to enter a trade now in your presence, but I will enter with a smaller size. So I'm going to enter with I'm going to take a trade of 0.05. You know why? I don't want to take a big risk on this account. Okay, now to do that, right now you cannot take a trade of less than 0.5, right? But I want to enter a trade of 0.05 so that I will be able to hold it if it breaks that zone on the lower time frame. Now I will just add it 5. I can make it C so that I can make it 6 so that I can take at least 0.1 entry. So if I click on buy right now, it will activate my trade. So what do I do next? I'll go here quickly and go to close, and I will close the 0.5 I entered. Then I will be left with 0.01. See that? So this is how you take the small lot size trade. Now back here now. So the market have the tendency of moving from this particular place and going upside just like this. You have a tendency of doing this thing from here and it shoots up. It still has a tendency of breaking down of this particular red drawn zone here. It can still break down that red zone and go down to the daytime frame demand, which is this red line. That is the 2500. That is the psychological level. After all, that is where I'm actually looking for an ideal entry. Okay, that's 2500 is where I'm actually looking at for an ideal entry. That is a perfect entry for me. But I'm just taking this entry here on a small account, waiting for it to get down there for me to take a shoot it in multiple entries. So if you're watching this video right now and you see this setup, kindly know that once the price get to that 2500, which is our daily psychological level, you have every right to enter in. You enter big and set your stop loss to just 20, just a slight below it, about 20 pips or 10 pips is okay for you, and just you're good to go. And if by chance the market breaks down that place downside, then we are going more in a sell. We are going for a more sell. Okay. So that's how effective and great this setup is. If you learn how to analyze on a higher time frame like this, you could actually spot a very high peep trade. Yeah, you can spot a very high peep trade that you can actually hold for a very long time and even for days, because once this market start to buy, if it starts to buy, like if the market move up and breaks up and break up here again, then the certainty is that it will buy more. It will buy from that particular level. Okay, so this is just a little I just saw this thing happening right now and I decided to show you guys what I'm seeing here. And if you might take, you can also take a chance of it. So if you watch the video, go to your charts and also check the current price of the market. So if the price is still around this particular where it is now, you can take your entry with a smaller size and wait for it to buy, do its things, or break down to the main entry levels on a day time frame. All right, guys. So if you want to get free signals, free entry signals, indicators, or robots, okay, first of all, subscribe on this channel, like this video, and give us a positive comment on the comment section, and go check on this video description. You're going to see a link to our Telegram channel. Okay, join that Telegram channel and you'll be receiving free signals at some time and at some point. All right, guys, this is it, guys. You see now we have gone 4 pips already. We have gone 4 pips. This is because I did not enter early as I saw it. I just wanted to show you guys before I enter. I could have entered early as the thing spiked down here. That could have been 10 pips already, but I just wanted to show you guys before I pick the entry. All right, guys, so this is how it is, and this is what we call a top-down analysis. You analyze from the top and to the down. So you see, now let me recap what I just said. First thing I did was I went to the daytime frame, and I saw that the market is actually on a demand zone. If I zoom out very well, because I have a portrait chart, I'm seeing the markets on a demand. All these levels here you are seeing here, they are all demand zones, right? Yeah, they are all demand zones there. So now I've seen that the market is actually on a key level, even though my point of interest is actually on 2500, which is the day time frame psychological level. Then I now see that I go down again to 4 hour time frame. That is, if you want to go down to 4 hour time frame, but me, I like to go down straight to M15. But let's just check what's happening on 4 hour time frame. Okay, so 4 hour time frame, if I check clearly here, I could still see a big bullish candle. You could see a big bullish candle in between the red, in between the red candle here. So that shows me that the bull wants to actually make a movement in the market. Okay, so if I still zoom it in, if I still zoom it in very well, I will see, check on my left side, I will see this level here, and that's where the price is currently reacting. So on a 4 hour time frame, I have a confirmed trade that the market is actually on a strong support level, or you can call it demand, a strong, strong demand or strong support level. So that's 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame show me this thing. On a day time frame, I see that I still have some time to move down to 500. But on the 4 hour time frame, I see that the market is already on a strong zone on 4 hour time frame. So that is another entry position for a long. Now, if I go down to my M15, so here now I don't want to go down to, I don't want to go to 1 hour or 30 minutes. I just go straight to M15, and then here is where I take my entry actually. So I don't go here. I see that there are still other things happening here. I had to draw my internal support level here, which is this red line you are seeing, this red box you are seeing here. Okay, and then my trend line also, my internal trend line also here. See that's, see, you see here as well. So I have it that there is a retestment, there is a break of structure here, and there is a retest of that broken structure here. So I want to take an entry, and I take entry smaller size because I'm still expecting the market might go down against me or about 70 or 80 pips. So that's why I'm taking smaller size in case market goes the other way around. It will not affect it will not affect this account, or it will not blow this account. Okay guys, so if you can still go down to M5, that is 5 minutes time frame, if you still want to see clearly what I just saw there. Here you will see so many noise, so many spikes up and down. Yeah, but still it had the same formation with the M15. That's why I normally use M15 for an entry, as an entry. That is if I'm not scalping. But if I'm scalping, I use M5 and M1 for scalping. But this is not a scalping market. It's actually a swing trade because it will last for days, even if not weeks. All right. So if you see this video, I guess you have got yourself a good setup to trade this week and the next week, because it's going to be a very bullish, a bull run. All right, guys. See you in the next video, and until then, I remain on HumbleFx. All right, you can still get my millions robot, or the unbeatable robot is still available on purchase. So get them for yourself. If you want to use them, it is still available. Chat me up on Telegram or on WhatsApp, and you get yours. Until next time, I remain on HumbleFx. Peace out.